canal. And then back to the sinus model. The maxillary sinus is the largest of the sinuses. It's the most inferior and the most lateral. So right above the upper jaw, this is the maxillary sinus. Once again, this is the zygomatic bone. This projection that reaches back toward the temporal bone is called the temporal process of the zygomatic bone. And just on the other side of this line, again, was the zygomatic process of the temporal bone. The nasal bone makes the bridge of your nose, this little tiny bone here. The vomer is the bottom part of the nasal septum. Inferior nasal concha was lateral inside the nose. And the lacrimal bone is this little rectangular bone. Lacrimal means tear, so it kind of lines up with where your tears come out. And this indentation in the bottom front corner that the stick is in is the nasolacrimal canal. So if I grab a mandible, same thing. The spaces, the ridges of bone between the teeth are the alveolar processes. You can also call the collection of those ridges the alveolar part. This pointed part is the coronoid process. Remember, mandible has no C in it, so this is coronoid process, just like it was on the ulna. And then this is the condylar process, which is really smooth and rounded over, making a condyle, or you can call it the mandibular condyle. And the only other thing that's in the lab manual is the